Hi, I'm Janet Kincherlow Martin with Calhoun Community College, and we're talking today with Carrie Bracken with Daikin. And Carrie, we're talking about the world of manufacturing. Lots of people, I think, when they hear the word manufacturing, they have all kinds of connotations and ideas in their head. But from the chemical processing standpoint, which is what Daikin does, talk to me about processing manufacturing in your world.
Manufacturing in the chemical industry is a little bit different from what you think about when you think of like parts and assembly type manufacturing. Manufacturing in the chemical industry means that we take raw materials that are sometimes liquids and gases, and within closed environments we process those into formalized product liquids and also powders and pellets.
Okay. Talk to me a little bit about the importance that you see that Daikin has in this entire community.
Well, with Daikin, one of our focuses is not just to bring in a company and set up manufacturing and make products. Our goal is to change the community, to make sure that we're leaving a positive impact within the area where we're doing our business. We try to be not only good business partners, but good neighbors.
So Carrie, part of the reason I wanted you to talk about all the partnerships that Daikin has across the community is because obviously you have a partnership with Calhoun Community College and that you guys hire our students, which we greatly appreciate. But as part of that partnership, you also make sure that we are teaching our students what they need so that once they leave us, they can come and work for companies like Daikin. Which leads me to a question about a wonderful new partnership that is, brand new. It's called EPIC. So tell us what EPIC is all about.
EPIC stands for Excellence in Process and Industrial Control. EPIC came from sort of a joint venture between Calhoun and local industry, in that they had several students who were going into the process control technology program, and they wanted to give these students the opportunity to work in industry, to learn what it is that we do at these chemical plants along the river, and to give them some work experience at the same time. And we were absolutely on board to take in these co-op students. It's such a wonderful opportunity for them to get to see what we do, but also for their parents to understand that going to work in these plants is wonderful. They're wonderful jobs. They are life-changing jobs, and they can see their kids growing into the future, so they can buy houses and cars and raise families. And so it's just it's groundbreaking for us because it's something that we've been interested in for years that finally we were able to bring to fruition. But I think in the long run, it's going to benefit this area in developing students who are ready to come into the workforce day one. We've had several former students come in through our employment process, and they rise to the top very quickly. So it is our hope that we will see the same with these co-ops that we're bringing in, that they'll be ready to go to our more advanced areas significantly faster.
So these students will go to school so many days a week and then work for companies like Daikin so many days a week? Is that how it's going to be set up?
Yes, they are working. They go to school on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and they work Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Okay. So right now, because this is kind of in its infancy stages, we're in need, you're in need, we're all in need of not only other companies to sign up to be partners, but also students, because again, this is a win-win situation for everyone that's involved.
Yes, we would hope that long term our hiring pipeline would come through the process technology program at Calhoun, which means that we need parents on board, we need students on board, and we most definitely need industry on board.
Well, Carrie, thank you so much for being with us and talking more about Calhoun and Daikin, but more importantly, this wonderful partnership with EPIC.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for being with us and learning more about Calhoun Community College, Daikin, and the new EPIC partnership.